For the past 2 days, we fill up our bird feeder, and in the next morning, it would be empty. So, this video clip, we're going to find out what's going on. As you can see, the bird feeder is pretty full right now, and the raccoons having a good time, but the deer, they're eating out of the little critter feeder we have on the side. Notice that the time is 17 minutes past midnight. It's 1:19 a.m. and the raccoons are still going. It's not even 2 a.m. and it's halfway empty. It's 4 a.m. now and they're still going at it, and it's almost empty. It's 4:26 a.m. and I think I can safely say it's the raccoons. Thanks for watching.